Hi guys, today I'm going to be reviewing, I'm going to make it a point to say hi just because, you know, I got a comment a while back that said I was rude and stuck up because I didn't verbally say hi guys to you guys in all of my videos, because I normally just get straight to the point in my videos. I don't take the time to say hi and have a 20-minute intro before I actually do what I'm going to do. Anyways, hi guys. So for today's video, I'm going to compare a higher end concealer with a cheaper priced concealer. I don't want to say cheaper brand, but cheaper price concealer. I don't even really want to say compare. I just want to see how well this new JCat Beauty concealer holds up against the Tarte concealer, because to be completely honest, I don't think this JCat Beauty one's going to be better. I don't even know if it's going to be on the same level as this Tarte, because I think Tarte is freaking amazing. But I do just want to see how well it compares, because I don't know. We never know. I've never tried this, so I don't know. I already have my concealer on. Let me start with Tarte's Shape Tape. I've used it. I love it. It's one of my favorites. So this runs about $27, and so this comes in 30 shades, and I do really like the shade range. This is vegan, full coverage, and it has a creamy matte finish. Now, JCat Beauty's Stay Surance Water Sealed Zero Smudge Concealer. This one is new. I've never tried it before. The only thing I have done is I swatched it when I first got it, and for some reason it just really reminded me of Tarte Shape Tape. I don't know if it was the applicator or just the feel of it. I don't know. So I just wanted to compare. This one is only $7.99, so there is about a $19 difference, but this one only comes in 16 shades, and I kind of have a big issue with this shade range. The shade range is not wide at all, and the colors are just really weird. They're really light for some reason. So this one says it's lightweight, medium to full coverage, it's buildable and waterproof. So they both have a doe foot applicator. Color in Tarte Shape Tape, I am in the color light neutral, and for JCat Beauty I have custard and banana. I'm really concerned about the colors. I'm going to use custard just because it's a little bit darker. Okay, so this is Tarte Shape Tape, and this is JCat Beauty custard is, and I don't have anything darker. Those are really different. That one is Tarte, and then that's JCat Beauty. Banana's lighter. This wouldn't. Ooh. That's yellow. There's no way I'm using banana. The only other option would be to get buff. The shades are very different from one another. I'm gonna do Tarte first, and I'm gonna do it on this side. Fight! So I'm just gonna apply it the way I normally would. Okay, so Tarte Shape Tape is probably the only one that doesn't really crease on me, or as much, because pretty much all of them crease on me. But it's the one that creases the least and has, I don't know, it's just really good. The formula is just amazing. So Shape Tape side done, one layer and done. Here comes custard. Oh, I'm scared. It's weird because, oh, that's bright. It's weird because they kind of feel like they have the same consistency when I put it on my hand. I'm just worried about the color. And I switched sponges to Sigma's. Here we go. Oh. That's all good. It's blending out pretty good. Oh wow. It's a little bit lighter, obviously, but it's blending out really good. I feel like it dries a little bit faster. Oh wow, that's nice. It's a little bright, but it's nice. That blended out really good, honestly. And the coverage is really good too. I think I like the color, to be honest. Wow. And I'm not going to put another layer on. I'm just going to leave it one layer. Ooh. Wow. We have to see if it creases. I'm a little shocked by the color, just because not just because it's so light, but it did have kind of a different tone than my Shape Tape, but I like it. I mean, I'm speaking too soon. I haven't set it. I haven't let it do its thing. It may, since it's waterproof, I mean, it may leave my eyes a lot really dry underneath. I don't know. We'll see. But I'm going to set it. Go ahead and set the way I always do. I hope it doesn't get too dry. Closed up, it doesn't look any different. We'll see. We'll see as it goes on. We have to see if it creases or not, but I'm going to finish up the rest of my face and then I'll be back.
3 hours later.
It's been about 2 hours since I initially applied it, and I'm really surprised. Okay, so initially when I started doing, I noticed when I started doing my eye, there was a lot of creasing. A lot of creasing right under my eye where these little folds are, and hardly any on the Shape Tape side. But as I started blending out my eyeshadow underneath, of course it blended all in and it went away, and it hasn't came back yet. It hasn't started creasing anymore since I had did that blend under my eyes, and it's pretty much, I'm shocked. Like, it looks exactly like the Tarte side. The only thing that I do notice from, I don't know if you can tell in here, but from here to the mirror that I'm looking at right here, I do kind of notice that some, I don't know how to explain it, like some of the pigmentation went away, if that makes sense. Like, I can see a little bit of my dark circles coming through more than I can on this side, but not an extreme amount. I almost want to say that my Tarte side even looks a little bit drier than this side, but it could just be me like reaching, I don't know. They look really good though. I'm really shocked. I don't think I have time to come back and update like after so many hours, but as far as a waterproof, I don't know. I don't have time to test that right now. But I'll leave an update in the comments if this was like hard to get off or not. Oh, it's crazy. And look at the color difference. The color difference is, I mean, there's a big color difference between these two. To be honestly, I didn't think it was going to do this good. Yeah, the only thing I can really say is I do see it kind of like fading just a little bit. I don't think it'll get any worse though, but I don't know. I'm shocked because it's only been 2 hours since I put it on, and I know it's like, how can you tell within 2 hours? You don't know how it's gonna be at the end of the day. But with a lot of drugstore concealer, and mind you, this is kind of cheaper than some drugstore concealers. I'll know right away from a drugstore concealer. I don't get the same kind of coverage this did. I didn't even have to go in with another layer. It was the same as the Tarte's coverage, and they'll start creasing on me really, really fast. I do notice with drugstore concealers too, like a little bit of my darkness will start coming in after a little while. But again, I'll know right away whether it's like, oh, just from the coverage, this isn't good or this is good. Just because my darkness under my eyes is really intense. So I think you'll really like this if you're somebody that doesn't have the amount of darkness that I have under it. I think you'll probably really like this if you can find your color. So I really love Tarte's shade range. I use this concealer on all my clients. I really like this one. I'm going to go ahead and say that they worked really similar. JCat Beauty definitely held its own against Shape Tape. So if you can afford to splurge a little bit, I would say go with Shape Tape. But if not, and you're on a budget, I would definitely try out JCat Beauty's Stay Assurance concealer. I'll have both of these linked in the description box below. So if you guys want to check that out, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.